Hey guys, in today's YouTube video, I'm going to take you through a full day of eating in my 4-hour feeding window. So what I'm doing is a 20-hour fast right now, 4-hour feeding window. We're going to break down all the foods that I eat, and I'm going to show you the before and after. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen here. So I'm going to show you a little bit of a before and how easy it is to meal prep your meals. So right now we're doing a 20-hour fast, 4-hour feeding window. I'm in my body recomposition stage. We also do macronutrients. So we break down our carbs, fats, and proteins into percentages, which allows us to have flexible dieting. So we can change our diet every single day in the food groups that we eat, not our diets per se, but we can change the food groups that we eat, and as long as it fits into our macronutrients, we're good to go. That's what's beautiful about the 3T method. So it's timing of your foods, when you eat your food, your intermittent fasting, it's targeted macronutrients, and then having a triggered workout to fire up your metabolism. But I want to show you how quick and easy it is in the food groups that we eat before, and then what the food looks like after to meal prep, guys. Don't make it too complicated. So I like to keep things very simple. I like to eat the same things every day. That's how I like to do it. But for my proteins, you can do steak, chicken, shrimp, fish, tuna, all these different things, or ground turkey. I'm a huge fan of ground turkey. It's very inexpensive. I get the 85% lean, 15% fat. So I will eat this whole thing of ground turkey today for my whole food meal. So that will be my whole food protein for the day. Then within there, we mix diced green chilies, which is absolutely delicious. We got these at Costco. Makes it taste absolutely fantastic. Doesn't add a lot of calories to it, and it fits in your macros. Here's the seasonings that we use. We use a regular seasoning salt, generic seasoning salt from Fry's. We have black pepper and then some onion powder. Does not add any additional calories, just sodium. All right, then you got your green veggies. We have the green beans. I'm not a huge fan of veggies, just being honest and transparent, but I eat my veggies, so we get our green veggies, but I also take a green supplement because I don't get enough vegetables, but you always want to have your veggies there. Not a lot of impact on the blood sugar. Veggies you can pretty much eat as much as you want. For carbohydrates, I love white rice, so we do the minute rice. Takes 5 minutes to make, guys, 5 minutes to make. The ground turkey takes about 10 minutes, so for the whole food meals, it takes about 15 minutes to meal prep. That's it. So that's the actual whole foods that I'm gonna eat, to include my treat that are already pre-made. My wife made protein muffins. She makes these out of the Kodiak pancake mix, and these are delicious treats that fit into my macronutrients. Also, for supplementation, I do the machine whey protein. I do the red velvet, absolutely delicious. So I do 1 scoop of this, and then I also mix in my machine greens. So today, my first meal to break my fast is gonna be a whey protein shake and my machine greens. This is gonna provide me a green profile of fruits and vegetables, and also a vitamin mineral complex. This is gonna provide me my amino acids through my whey protein. It's gonna help build lean muscle mass. And so I'm gonna break my fast today with 25 grams of machine whey, the red velvet, my greens, and that's gonna keep me insulin sensitive because there's gonna be no carbohydrates. My next meal will be the rice, ground turkey, and I'll probably throw in one of those protein muffins. The great thing about counting your macronutrients, it's flexible dieting. You can eat what fits into your macros. So if you feel like going to have a burger, if it fits in your macros, you can do that. I like to keep things very simple and keep the same food groups every single day throughout the week. And on the weekends, I play with it quite a bit. So that's the before. I'll show you the after and what it looks like after we cook it. And we'll take you through a full day of eating. All right, okay, guys, here's the first meal of the day. So we're gonna have 1 scoop of machine whey. It's the red velvet, absolutely delicious. The great thing about Tiger Fitness is whatever it says right here, it tastes exactly like, so it's absolutely delicious. We're gonna do 1 scoop of the machine greens, which is gonna give me my vegetables and fruits for the day, and a vitamin mineral complex. So I'm gonna do 1 scoop here, put it into the scooper bottle, very simple, tastes delicious. And then we're gonna do 1 scoop of the machine greens. This is apple cinnamon. Put a little bit extra because I'm not eating a lot of vegetables today. Pretty simple. Put it into your shaker cup. Make sure you shake it really good. It's pretty simple. First meal is ready to rock and roll. Enjoy. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to prep your meals. Very, very easy. Guys, if I can do it, you can do it. So bachelors out there, if you're worried about meal prepping, very, very simple. Also guys, there's no excuses. There's companies out there that will actually make your meals for you. But we got ground turkey here, so I just take it and boom, just drop it in there. Very easy. Just going to crunch that thing up. So I'm just going to chop that up a little bit. All right, so we get that going. What I did was with the minute rice, so those of you who've never made minute rice, I'm gonna act like you've never done it before so I can help. You're gonna take this, and it says on the directions right here, you add 2 cups of water, which I've already done, and then I'm gonna add 2 cups of rice once that starts boiling. Super easy, takes 5 minutes. So I'm gonna turn this all the way up to hot. Once that water starts to boil, I'm gonna add 2 cups of rice, put a lid on it, boom, let it simmer. I'm just gonna let it cook a little bit. I'm gonna add my green chilies in there, and then we'll add the seasoning. This right here, your vegetables. I just put the vegetables in a microwave safe Tupperware. I put about 1 inch of water, and boom, that's gonna go. Okay guys, just want to take you through that. That took about 8 minutes, so this is almost done. So there you go, that's actually done. And then we have 2 minutes left on our rice. Our green beans are done. I didn't even start the microwave, but you saw the point of it. I'm not going to do it until I eat it, but you just put them in the microwave for a couple minutes. That will be done, so my veggies are done. My rice is done in 2 minutes, and my protein's done. That was it. That was total of 8 minutes, guys, to prep my meals. How easy was that? If I can do it, you can do it. So, all right guys, so that's a meal prep, and then I'll show you what they look like when I'm eating them.
All right guys, here is the meals made. So we got 8 ounces of ground turkey, 1 cup of rice, 1 protein muffin, 8 ounces of ground turkey, 1 cup of rice, and then we got our veggies over there, ready to eat. And I'm gonna have 1 cup of veggies per, and that's it. So this is my meals made. So I had my protein shake, I had my greens, I'm having 16 ounces of ground turkey, 2 cups of rice, and this is gonna finish up my carbohydrates there, and that'll hit all my macros for the day, and I'm gonna eat that in a 4-hour eating window. Okay guys, so we showed you a whole day meal prep. This is MyFitnessPal. This is how I track all my calories. I'd highly recommend it. You can see I was at 1,860 calories for my goal. I hit 2,021, but that's okay. Went over by a bit. I did not enter my exercise in there today since I want to be in a caloric deficit or energy deficit to burn more calories and get leaner. So we're in good shape. The 161 will not affect me. I will get leaner because I'm in a caloric deficit.